Never touch a shark. Written by Rosie Greening. Illustrated by Stuart Lynch. You must never touch a giant shark who's in a snappy mood, but if he bakes fantastic treats, then you can try his food. You must never touch an octopus. It might ruin your day, but if she has a pack of cards, it's fine for you to play. You must never touch a seahorse. It's not a good idea, but if she's in a swimming race, then you can wave and cheer. You must never touch a pufferfish in case he's going to blow, but if it is his birthday, you should stop and say hello. So never touch a sea creature who isn't in this rhyme, but if it's in a buoy band, you can join in every time.